Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set holiday classification here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, gotta log into your account. Now go to the left panel and click on Leave Tracker. Alright, once done, go to the top tab and here we have holidays. Click on it. And once done, there will be a list right here of your available holidays. Now, if you want to add in some holidays, you gotta click on the blue button right here. If not, let's say we'll try to find a holiday right here. Maybe we have Independence Day. You can just hover over it. Now click on the pencil icon. And as you can see here, you can change the name and the date and especially the classification. All right, we have here the regular holiday or restricted holiday. Now, once that's done, once you have selected your classification, you can now then go ahead and add in a brief description just for clarity. Okay. You can now then enable a notification via feeds or process leave application based on this updated holiday and the reminder right here, maybe 1 week before the holiday happens. Okay. Once done, just click on save. And as you can see here, the classification is now changed to restricted holiday. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.